Hi everyone, welcome to the new session of marketing. Myself Amla Mary KS, Department of Retail Management, St. Albans College. Today we are going to discuss about market segmentation. Before starting the topic, we need to understand the two terms market and segmentation. Market means the total demand of a particular product. Segmentation means grouping or dividing. So market segmentation means dividing or grouping the entire market into small segments. Okay. The main objective of marketing is to satisfy the customer needs. In a market, we have different customers. They have different tastes, behaviors and all. So the firm cannot be satisfy the entire customers in a single marketing plan. Here the need of market segmentation arises. So market segmentation is a process of dividing the entire market into small segments based on customer needs and characteristics. In market segmentation, we discuss meaning, definition, features, need and importance and basis of market segmentation. Meaning. Market segmentation is a process of dividing market on the basis of different needs and characteristics of the consumer. According to R.S. Deva, grouping of buyer or segmenting the market is described as market segmentation. According to Philip Kotler, market segmentation is the act of dividing market into distinct groups of buyers who might merit separate products and services or marketing mix. Next, we discuss about the salient features of market segmentation. Market segmentation is a process of dividing the entire market into small segments on the basis of customer needs and characteristics. Next feature, the main aim of market segmentation is to identify and select the best suitable target market for the firm. And next, it is a process which narrows down the large market into small market segments. And it is a process of dividing the heterogeneous, that means diverse market into homogeneous market. The last feature, it leads to market targeting and product positioning. This is all about the features of market segmentation. Next, we are going to discuss about the need and importance of market segmentation. The need of marketing arises from the fact that the customers are not homogeneous. Every individual have their own taste and preferences and all. So here the need of market segmentation arises. Market segmentation means segmenting the entire market or total market into different small segments. So the firm can effectively manage the customers. The firm can effectively satisfy the customers. Okay, the following points shows the need and importance of market segmentation. The first need it is essential to learn and understand the behavioral pattern of the consumers in a market. And next, it is identify the market consumer segments which a firm can effectively manage. And the third one is it gives information input to marketing mix decision. Marketing mix decision includes product decision, price, place and promotion decision. And the last one is it helps to identify and concentrate the special needs of the consumer segments of a market. Next, we are going to discuss about basis for market segmentation. Consumer markets can be basically segmented on the basis of age, income, occupation, education, etc. And according to Philip Kotler, market can be segmented on the basis of 4 variables that are demographic variable, geographical variable, psychological and behavioral variables. First, we discuss about the demographic or economic variable. In demographic variable, these are the factors we use to segment the market. So, the first is age. Age means we can divide the market according to age. Example, child, young, old age and adult. Okay. In sex, we segmented the market on the basis of female and male. In income, we can divide the market in their income based. And education, we can divide the market on the basis of education. Next, religion, we can divide on the basis of religion like Hindu, Christian, etc. And we can divide the market on the basis of occupation, their occupation like doctor, teacher, etc. And next element is family size. Family size, for example, joint family and narrow family, etc. Next is geographical variable. In geographical variable, consumers can be segmented on the basis of their geographical location. That include region, villages, cities, density, and climate. Okay. Next is psychological variable. In psychological variable, consumer can be segmented on the basis of consumer psychology. This include their interest, lifestyle, and their personality. Every consumers have different personalities. So this is based on psychology. The last variable is behavioral variables. In this case, the consumers can be segmented on the basis of consumer behaviors that include purchase occasion, user status, usage rate, and readiness stage and attitude towards the product. So these are the factors in behavioral variables. I hope everyone have understand this topic, market segmentation. Thank you all.